Hey, so you've got big dreams, right? But for some reason, you're just not hitting those goals. Trust me, I get it. It's frustrating. But here's the thing. It's not because you're lazy or not good enough. It's usually because of a few common mistakes. Let's break them down and fix them so you can finally start making progress. First up, your goals might be too vague. Saying stuff like, I want to be rich or I want to be happy sounds great, but it doesn't tell you what to actually do. Instead, get specific. For example, I want to save $10,000 by the end of the year, or I want to work out 4 times a week. Clear goals. Clear action. Okay, second thing. Consistency. You might start strong, but then life happens, and you fall off. Here's the fix. Stop trying to do everything at once. Start small. Like if you want to get fit, don't go from 0 to gym every day. Start with 2 days a week. Build the habit first, then level up. Third, let's talk about fear of failure. Yeah, failing sucks. But guess what? Everyone fails. The difference is, successful people don't let it stop them. They learn from it and keep going. So, if you're scared to start because you might mess up, just start anyway. Failure is part of the process, not the end of it. Last one. You're not tracking your progress. If you don't see how far you've come, it's easy to feel like you're not getting anywhere. So, start tracking. Use a journal, an app, or even a sticky note on your wall. Celebrate the small wins. They add up faster than you think. All right, that's it. 4 reasons you're stuck and how to fix them. No magic, no lies, just real actionable steps. Start today, even if it's small. And if you want more tips like this, check out NOLIIMITS.com. You've got the potential. Now go make it happen. See you in the next video.